Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best 3-channel dashcams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best 3-channel dashcams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam is a powerful, all-in-one solution designed to provide complete protection for your vehicle. Featuring a 3-channel system, it simultaneously records the front, interior, and rear in stunning clarity with resolutions of 2.7K, 1440p, and 1440p. This ensures every detail on the road and inside your car is captured with precision. Equipped with advanced STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR technology, and infrared night vision, the N4S delivers exceptional performance even in low light or nighttime conditions. Whether you're driving after dark or parked in dim areas, you can rely on clear, high-quality footage. The built-in Wi-Fi allows easy access to recordings through your smartphone, while GPS tracking logs your speed and location for added security and evidence. Voice control adds convenience, letting you operate the camera hands-free while driving. With 24/7 parking mode, the Vantrue N4S keeps your car monitored at all times, offering peace of mind against accidents, theft, or vandalism. It's a smart investment for safety-conscious drivers. Number 2. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam is a powerful all-in-one solution for complete vehicle surveillance and peace of mind on the road. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front recording combined with dual 1080p cameras for interior and rear views, it ensures every angle is captured in stunning detail. Powered by the advanced STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor with HDR technology, this dashcam delivers exceptional image clarity even in low light or nighttime conditions. Designed for modern drivers, the REDTIGER F17 includes fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless video transfer to your smartphone, allowing quick access to footage whenever needed. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving route and speed, adding valuable data for security and evidence purposes. With infrared, IR, night vision for the cabin, it is ideal for rideshare drivers who need clear interior monitoring at all times. The included 64GB memory card ensures ample storage right out of the box, while loop recording and emergency lock features keep important footage. Reliable, smart, and easy to use, it's a must-have driving companion. Number 3. The iiwey T1 Pro Dashcam is a powerful 3-channel recording system designed to provide complete protection for your vehicle. Featuring front, rear, and interior cameras, it captures every angle in crisp 1080p resolution, ensuring no detail is missed. The adjustable lens allows you to customize the viewing angle for optimal coverage, making it suitable for various car types and driving conditions. Equipped with 8 infrared, IR lamps, the interior camera delivers clear night vision, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or nighttime travel. Whether you're driving during the day or in low-light conditions, the camera maintains excellent image quality. The triple camera setup records simultaneously, giving you reliable evidence in case of accidents, disputes, or unexpected incidents. Easy to install and user-friendly, the iiwey T1 Pro offers seamless operation with loop recording and motion detection features. Its compact design ensures it won't obstruct your view while driving. Overall, this dashcam is a dependable choice for enhancing safety, security, and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. The FAME 4K 3-channel dashcam is a powerful and reliable solution for modern drivers who prioritize safety and clarity on the road. Designed to capture every angle, it features front, rear, and interior recording, ensuring complete coverage of your vehicle at all times. With stunning 4K resolution on the front camera, every detail, from license plates to road signs, is recorded with exceptional clarity. This dashcam comes with a 128GB memory card included, so you can start recording immediately without extra purchases. Its dual Wi-Fi capability, 5.8G per 2.4G, allows for fast and stable connectivity, making it easy to view, download, and share footage directly to your smartphone. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your driving route and speed, adding valuable data to your recordings. Equipped with advanced night vision and WDR technology, the FAME dashcam performs excellently in low-light conditions, ensuring clear footage even at night. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots, capturing more of the road. Overall, It's a smart investment for enhanced driving security and peace of mind. Number 5. The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam is a powerful and reliable companion for modern drivers who value safety, clarity, and convenience. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this dash camera records in stunning 2160p UHD resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring every detail on the road is captured with exceptional sharpness. Its 150 degrees wide-angle lens provides a broader field of view, reducing blind spots and enhancing overall coverage. Equipped with built-in GPS, the device accurately tracks your driving speed, route, and location, offering useful data when reviewing footage. The advanced 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allows for faster video transfers and seamless control through a dedicated mobile app, making it easy to access and share recordings instantly. The 2.4-inch IPS screen delivers clear playback and simple navigation, while features like night vision and wide dynamic range, WDR, ensure superior recording quality even in low light or high contrast conditions. Whether driving during the day or night, the ROVE R2-4K Pro maintains consistent performance. Durable, efficient, and user-friendly, this dashcam is an excellent investment for protecting your journeys and providing peace of mind on every drive.